वेलकम टू द लेक्चर ऑफ हाईवे। हम पढ़े हमारी ट्रैफिक स्टडीज़। ठीक है, तो ट्रैफिक स्टडीज़ में क्या करते हैं, हम ट्रैफिक सर्वे करते हैं। ठीक है, तो ट्रैफिक डेटा को कलेक्ट करने के लिए ट्रैफिक सर्वे किया जाता है। ठीक है, जिसको ट्रैफिक सेंसस भी बोलते हैं। ओके, अभी बहुत अलग अलग टाइप की हमारी ट्रैफिक स्टडीज़ होती हैं, जो जनरली कौन कौन सी होती हैं। सबसे पहले होती है हमारी ट्रैफिक वॉल्यूम स्टडी, जो हमारा ट्रैफिक है उसका कितना वॉल्यूम है उसके लिए, राइट। नेक्स्ट होती है हमारी स्पीड स्टडी। इन स्पीड स्टडी we conduct two type of study. Number first is spot study and number second is speed and delay study. ठीक है, number third is origin and destination study and the number fourth is traffic flow characteristics. Okay, we have to find out the what is the characteristic of traffic flow, and after that the next study is a traffic capacity study, in which we have to find out the what is the capacity of our traffic. Next is parking study, how should be our vehicle parked. Okay, that's why we conduct this study, we complete it. And the next one is accident study. Okay, so what is the critical position for the accident, critical roads or critical intersections for the accidents. Okay, how should we maintain our speed, what is the efficiency of brake. That's why we conduct our accident study. Now first we are going to study about traffic volume. Okay, traffic volume. So what do you mean by the traffic volume? Traffic volume is a number of vehicle crossing a section road per unit time. That means suppose this is your road. Okay, we take a section in the road, and how much vehicle is passed from this particular section. We count the number of vehicles that is passing from this particular section in a particular time, or in a time period, right. If we are counting from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m, so in 1 hour how much number of vehicle crossing from this particular section, it is tells us about traffic volume. So how we can calculate about traffic volume? It is represented by Q. So here Q is equals to, if 50 number of vehicle pass in 1 hour, so it is equals to 50, that means 50 vehicle, and in 1 hour that means 1. So it is comes out, the traffic volume is comes out 50 vehicle per hour. Okay, so what it measures? It measures quantity of traffic flow, how much the traffic is in the road. Okay, what is the quantity of vehicles that is come into the particular road, or it the unit of the traffic volume is vehicle per hour or vehicle per day, or it may be vehicle per second, right. So it is basically vehicle per unit a time. Okay, time duration. Okay, so it is determined by Q equals to N upon T, vehicle per time. Here N is represented the number of vehicle that is crossing the particular section, and T is representing the time in which we count how much number of vehicle is passing from this section. Okay, so what how we can conduct the traffic surveys? By toll plaza ticketing, by statistical approach. There may be some there is some statistical approach by which we can find out our traffic volume, right. By interview methods and by check posts. We will discuss about detail in next lecture about these methods. Okay, so next is where we use these data, what we collected from the traffic studies, and what is the objective of traffic studies, traffic volume studies basically, right. So from the traffic volume we can decide our priority, what is the road is most important road for us. ठीक है, how we can improve it, and expansion of this road. If there is a higher traffic volume, it need to be expanded, its width need to be expand, right. Its length need to be, maybe if there is some other alternative routes we can find out for the improvement or the expansion of that particular road. So we basically find out a priority of the road, which roads need more maintenance, right? Planning and traffic operation. For planning for the future roads and the traffic operations, and analysis the traffic patterns and trends, how the traffic is goes on, where the maximum traffic on which particular road, right? So we can analyze the traffic patterns and trends. So in this lecture it is enough. In next lecture we continue our traffic studies, or we can say how we can represent our traffic data. Thank you so much.